got my barbecue shoes on.
You gotta choose your weapons, in this case the right grill, when you're cooking up at Delmonico. And we're using our original Sherman cooker because we need to treat this cut of steak with respect. The Delmonico, you might know the history, but basically it's a rib steak, the short loin, or a boneless ribeye, or call it what you want. It's a fine cut of steak, and we're going to use our original Sherman cooker to treat it with respect. And let me mention that the original Sherman cooker guys provided us their cooker. You got to check this out. All right, reverse sear, let's get back to it. So, we've raised the pole and adjustment clamp to the top because we want a low temperature, right? A low temperature to wisp in the bottom of these steaks. Maybe about 275 degrees, more or less.
Lord have mercy.
Again, we're going to treat this steak with respect. Oh, man. Look at that. Smells good. Now, after 4 or 5 minutes, time might vary. If you got a nice thick cup of steak, you flip it and you do the other side, just for a little bit. Now, we're rare on the inside. This is where the reverse sear idea gets going. We took the steaks off. We got them where we want. We lowered the grate in order to get it real hot, searing hot, right? Now we'll return the steak. This is the reverse sear part. We're going to hit it hot and hard. And of course, this Sherman pit will do it for you. This is cast iron with a baked enamel. Again, it'll last a generation, maybe 3. All right, quick sear on each side. Get it to where you want it. If you want to probe it with a temp, you can do that. We're going to cook these about medium rare, somewhere in there, and they're ready to pull off the cooker. Oh, good. Can you smell that? It smells good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yep.
Man. All right. Now, you can set these steaks up any way you want with the sides, you know, your fancy plates, whatever. Here we've just charred up some peppers, onions, what we have. We did them on our cooker, of course. Like Mom said, you eat your veggies. Now, we let the steaks rest a bit, right? And just take a look at that. Just perfect. All right. So now, we're going to apologize here, eat in front of you like this, but we call that pitmaster privilege. Oh, man. There's nothing much more to say, right? Just hanging at the pit. Oh, Lord have mercy. You bet.
My stomach just went to Memphis.
So the next time you're looking for a pit for your pit, check out the original Sherman. Thumbs up.